Hi, I'm Anuja.
And I'm Hital, and it's Tip Tuesday on ShowMeTheCurry.com.
So for today's tip, we're going to show you this easy way of doing meal prep for Sambar.
Now, we know that Sambar is like a very personal, household to household. The recipe changes, the things that go inside change all the time. But one thing that's kind of common is vegetables. A lot of people add vegetables to their Sambar. Doesn't matter what they are, but whenever you're ready to make it, you just sometimes don't happen to have one thing or the other thing on hand, and then it's just like, oh, kind of miss out on it.
And for me, I think the biggest thing is, you're missing one thing, and you don't want to go to the store to buy that one thing. You just want to have it ready. So what we do is we buy whatever vegetables you want in your sambar. You just buy a little bit of that, prep it up like so, and what we're going to do is we're going to just put it in a Ziploc bag, of course label it, put it in and freeze it. So let's do that.
Anything that you're going to be freezing, it's always a good idea to label it so you know what it is after a while. And we're going to go ahead and date it as well.
So I'm going to divide up the vegetables into 4 bags.
And you can make as many bags as you'd like and prep as many vegetables as you like.
Got some winter melon. Now we have a recipe for sambar on our website, so check it out. These are pretty much the vegetables that go in there. And some carrots. And some Tindora.
And you want to make sure that you take all the air out of the bag. Fold it over.
One of the tips I want to give while we are still at this is always try to flatten out the vegetables or whatever you're freezing. Flatten it out and then freeze it. That way, the stacks are nice and then it's not lumpy. So whenever you do take it out and you want to just maybe do half the recipe, you just kind of break it up. It breaks up easily and you just put it in the sambar. So also for whenever you're ready to make the sambar, you just have to open it up, put it all in with the dal and everything, and
pressure cook. Yeah. It's one step. It's one step. It saves you time in actually chopping the vegetables. It saves you the effort of actually having them in your refrigerator at the time. And how easy, just dump it in and you're hands-free.
And like we mentioned, that if this is for sambar, but you may have a recipe that is your family favorite or something that you just constantly use all the time, and you just need like little stuff of that. Even if it's a little bit more, just make little baggies like this. Keep them ready so that you're not running to the grocery store for like one carrot.
But this is awesome. So this is gonna stack just like this. It's going to go into our freezer and ready for us next time we're making sambar. So if you like this tip, give it a thumbs up, please. That will help us out a lot. And if you have a tip that you want to share with us and all our viewers, then please share it at tips@ShowMeTheCurry.com. It's tips@ShowMeTheCurry.com.
And join us again on another Tuesday for another tip on ShowMeTheCurry.com.